Hey everyone, this is Josh from SlideApp Pro Support, and today I'm going to be doing an overview of one of our brand new features called User Groups. It allows you to assign specific forms to specific members of your team. So this is really great so that they don't have to scroll through an entire list of forms to see the ones that are relevant to them. You can segment the different forms based on the activities and the paperwork that's required for that group. So in order to start creating these user groups, we'll head to the My Business page and then go to Settings. And then we can see the user group settings right here. So I'm going to create a user group for our drivers team. Now there are two steps to making sure that this all runs really nicely and smoothly. The first step is making sure that the team members that you would like to receive these forms are actually assigned to the user group as well. So the first step, let's head to the team and users page, and for instance, let's make Jacob Hutchins over here a driver. So now that he's a driver, let's click save, and the last step here is making sure that we're assigning forms to the user group as well, so that Jacob Hutchins can receive those specific forms. So I've created this driver's induction training form, and what we'll want to do is click the pencil icon, and then scroll down to the user group settings. So any user groups that you've added in here, this form can be added to, and then select save. Now something important to bear in mind is that forms that haven't been assigned to a user group will show up on everyone's device. So these are really good for default forms such as pre-starts, ones that apply to everyone. However, if you have forms that only apply to a certain subset of your team, such as drivers, we would recommend adding these into user groups so that they are the only ones that receive the forms and there's no overlap. If you need a hand getting any of this set up, please contact us at the email address below.